This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to share a few useful tips and tricks for the default camera app on this device. So to start off, I would like to demonstrate that you can gain more manual control over the pictures that you take. Basically, that's a very cool feature that will suit not only enthusiastic photographers, but also just beginner people who would like to be able to adjust their lighting, adjust ISO value, perhaps white balance manually. You can all do that by entering the Pro mode. As you can see, there are quite a few options you can modify over here. You can change the white balance value, focus value, set the manual focus, change the shutter speed, change the ISO value, change the exposure rate, and switch lenses from wide to ultra wide and vice versa. Alrighty, the next cool feature that I wanted to share with you is called the voice shutter. You can activate it by tapping at these three horizontal lines, or rather vertical lines, and then tap at the voice shutter option over here. And now in order to take a photo, you just gotta say cheese. As you can see, the picture gets taken. Cheese. So a very cool feature to have once you would like to be able to take a photo without having to necessarily tap any physical or digital buttons such as shutter. The next tip is how you can customize, personalize, and enable, to begin with, the watermark. So go into camera settings, open the watermark page. In here you can choose what exactly will be displayed at your watermark, as well as write some custom text. Now once you will take photos or record videos, cheese. As you can see, the watermark will be applied. And fourth and final tip I have for you guys is also located at the camera settings. Basically, if you would like for your camera to be silent without having to put the entire phone into the silent mode, just turn off the shutter sound toggle, and now each time you tap at the shutter, it will not produce any sound at all, and you will be able to take your pictures silently, and generally all camera sounds will be muted. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.